we're looking at compound events here. So if we've got two independent events, independent meaning that they're not reliant on each other, we multiply them together. So here we've got the probability of A happening coupled with the probability of B happening. So two things are happening here. So to work out the probability of both happening at the same time, we have to multiply them together. A, B, and C. If we had three events, the probability of each happening, we multiply them together again. So A by B by C. Let's look at an example of that. So if a coin is tossed 3 times, determine the probability of getting the following sequences of results. A head. So head is a 1 in 2 chance. Then a head. So there's event A. Event B is a head. Now that's a 1 in 2 chance. By a head again is a 1 in 2 chance. Means we've got a 1 in 8 chance of that happening. A tail. So what's the probability of getting a tail? Well, that's 1 in 2. Then a head. Well, that's a 1 in 2 chance. Then a tail. 1 in 2. So same result as before. That's a simplistic example. Let's have a look at a more complex one. An archer hits a circular target with each arrow fired and hits the bullseye on average 2 out of 5 shots. If 3 arrows are fired, determine the probability that the bullseye is hit. Now remember, that 3 arrows, each one is an independent event. Next one, doesn't matter what happened before. So, every time, so he's got 3 shots. His first one, he's got a 2 in 5 chance. With his second arrow, he's still got a 2 in 5 chance. So he's got an 8 in 125 chance. The first 2 times, well, if he hits the first 2 times, he's got a 2 in 5 chance of hitting the first time. He's got a 2 in 5 chance of hitting the second time, but not on the third shot. If his probability is hitting it 2 in 5 times, the probability of missing it is 3, because there are 5 in total. So 3 out of 5. So again, now these may cancel down. I'm not using a calculator, so please check them that you might need to cancel it down. And then on no occasion missing it. So he's got a 3 in 5 chance of missing it with his first, 3 in 5 with the second, 3 in 5 with the third. We multiply all of them together. I've just realized that they're all going to be 75. 5 5's 25. No, I was right. 125. My apologies. So, there are the probabilities. Main takeaway. You're multiplying each event because they're independent. When you see a dependent event, it's a different process. We'll talk about that in a different video.